So today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Ronin S, but first let's roll that intro. The money itself is here. You can see here the DJI RONIN S, and they've actually engraved it, so it looks really good on this case. You may have also noticed that this case is it looks a little bit like the Phantom 4's case due to its same polystyrene look and injected look. So let's open this up. So we have all of these little things that we can use in this perfectly designed case. Then we have the handle, which is also the battery grip for DJI RONIN S. Then we have the stand, which we can use for calibrating the gimbal and also to extend the handle. We have a power adapter, the mounting plate, which is apparently can also fit Manfrotto tripod. Then we have the money. This is the brains and everything that's going to help you get that amazing cinematic footage shall be done with this piece. Now let's cut to some B-roll shots of the Ronin S being used and some test shots so you know if this is a great gimbal for you. One of the great things about this Ronin S case is it's just like the Phantom 4's case, which I have taken to Wales, Scotland, literally anywhere you can think of, I've taken it there, and it's been no problem going through airports. This is why DJI making a case just like this for the Ronin S was a great decision. Another great thing about the Ronin S is its amazing battery life, which is only 2 hours charging time but 12 hours running time. And if you can use a Ronin S for 2 hours with all that weight in front of you, congratulations, you're a beast. To conclude, the Ronin S is a great handheld gimbal. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and to like this video. Thank you for watching.